Hello students, good evening to everyone. Today we will discuss about the preparation of Haloalkane and Haloarene that we have discussed in previous class also by alkane hydrocarbon. So we can see here this part. 1 second, yes. Okay, so we have taken hydrocarbon, and in the presence of Cl2, in the presence of light, it is making haloalkane, and HCl is forming the subproduct. Okay, so this is the haloalkane we needed. Okay, so this is by alkane. So in this free radical halogenation is required. So free radical mechanism, important part, you can highlight it like this. Okay, it is the important part. Now, radical substitution. In halogenation, addition of halogen is there. So chlorine will be added. It has 3 steps. First is chain initiation step. Okay, second one is chain propagation step, chain initiation, chain propagation, and chain termination. It is the starting step, it is the intermediate step, and it is the end step. Now, starting with the chain initiation step, there are 2 chlorine molecules are there. Okay, and in the presence of sunlight, it will form radical. This bond will be breaked. Okay, and 2 free radicals are formed. So in this reaction, you can see that there is no monohaloalkane will be formed because this reaction continues. In presence of light, this reaction continues. This is the disadvantage of this reaction. So this can be asked as a question. Now, next step is this free radical is formed. It will attack on the CH4 methane group. Okay, so this bond will be break. Okay, this Cl which bonded to HCl make HCl, and the free radical comes to the CH3. You have to remember one thing, that if free radical is coming to the carbon, then 2Cl2 will be attacked. This bond will be breaked, and then what will happen? CH3 will attach to 1Cl, form this CH3Cl, and again free radical will become this. Now, one free radical Cl again react with, we can write CH3Cl like this also. So one H will combine with Cl to form HCl, and again free radical come to carbon, CH2Cl. Okay, CH2Cl, again carbon free radical comes, then 2Cl2 will be attacked, this bond will be broken, and one Cl2 will come here, and CH2Cl2 and Cl free radical will be formed. I hope you understand. And the third step, you can see CH2Cl, again in the presence of Cl, it will form HCl. We can write like this also, CH, H, Cl. This H will react with this Cl to form HCl and CH2Cl, and free radical becomes on the carbon atom. Then again 2Cl to form, react with it, forms Cl radical and CH3Cl. Again the reaction continues in the presence of sunlight, does not stop, and forms CCl3 free radical. CCl3 radical again react with Cl hormone, and it will be formed haloalkane. Haloalkane. alkene, and one free radical is remaining. Now, in chain termination step, this one remaining Cl will be attached to another Cl and make a bond like Cl2 gas will be released. Okay, so this is the termination step. To stop the reaction, this should be happened. Okay, so next one caution is there: CH3, CH2, CH3 plus Cl2 in the presence of sunlight. Now this Cl2 will go to this. Okay, now first it will remove one hydrogen from here and form CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl. This hydrogen is removing. Okay, so Cl is formed and HCl, and one more product is there. You can remove one hydrogen here also, and CH3, Cl, and chlorine will be added, and CH3. There are two things, uh, which is major product and which is minor product. So we can say this is major product and this is minor product because this is secondary carbon attached to secondary carbon, and this is attached to primary carbon. What is primary carbon? The halogen attached to carbon which is directly attached to the one carbon only. That is known as primary carbon. And the halogen attached to the carbon which is attached to the two carbon. That is known as secondary carbon. Okay, and the halogen attached to the carbon which is attached to the three other carbon directly attached. That is known as tertiary carbon. So this will be more stable than secondary and then primary. In the case of iodination, if CH4 will be reacting with I2 in the presence of sunlight, the reaction will be reversible. Reversible reaction will be taking place. So CH3I is forming, but it against and sometimes it again react to form reactant. So for that case, you have to remove this HI. Remove this HI. So with this HI react with HiO3 and forms I2 and H2. That is the sustainable product. Okay. Next reaction about fluorination. It is a fast reaction you can write, and this iodination is a slow reaction. Slow reaction. Okay. Now about fluorination, fluorination also doesn't take place directly. RF doesn't form directly because it is a very fast reaction. So one reaction known as Swartz reaction take place. CH3Cl plus AgF. You can see that positive and negative part, positive and negative part. This is heavy metal fluoride is taking place. So positive will be attached to negative part and negative will be attached to positive part, that it will make the RF. It is fluorination. Okay, I hope you understand this method. This is a very important method according to exam. So you can remember this by understanding the method. Just you have to remember the mechanism. When free radical is in the carbon atom, free radical in this the carbon atom, then 2Cl2 will be attacked, and then if one chlorination is going on, then HCl will be removed. Okay, so this is today's class, and I hope you understand. Please like and subscribe my channel so I can make more videos and have more information for the next chapter and the another topic. So thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.